Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all, guys? I hope so. You all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So, viewers, in this video, I am going to share with you a most stunning and very pretty and very amazing and super classy flower wreath design. This is very amazing and very unique wreath ideas for your home decor. And I hope so you like this video. So viewers, share this video with your friends and with your family members. You guys make these wreath design at your homes very easily. You guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these wreath design at homes very easily. This is very cheap in prices, and you all guys make these wreath design at home very easily. These are super incredible and very amazing ideas for you guys. I am very thankful to you all guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. And you must leave the comment in the comment section and tell me about how much you like this video. So guys, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.